My name is Jason Rudewick, and I am the builder and project manager for this project here in Vintage Oaks. So setting up forms is really just holding back the concrete, and it's just a generic way of keeping it from spilling out. But what we really have to focus on is the actual floor plan layout and making sure that we actually get it set to the exact dimensions so that when we frame, everything is square and plumb. So as you can see right here, I actually have some green marks on this, and I'm actually notifying the form setter that we're out of square or out of plumb or whatever it is that we're actually, the problem is. What we want to do is try to make sure that we get everything as square and as tight as possible so that we're not actually cheating the frame to accommodate that variance in the slab. We want to try to make sure that we're holding our trades accountable, and in my opinion, it's what makes us different. Another thing that we do to actually hold ourselves accountable, and a lot of banks actually require this, is a form survey. After we set forms, we actually have an engineer come out here and they verify that we have not encroached any of the setbacks or the easement. So we actually, if you see the pink line on that far side, up to the forms this way, we have to make sure that our forms are not encroaching into that setback or into that easement. So this is actually the high side of the lot. So if you see this nail right here, this is actually going to be what we call our zero, or our finished elevation. If you actually walk around the rest of the slab over here, you'll see as the topography continues down this way, we have other nails that actually represent that same elevation. You can see one here. You can see one here on this post, and right here on this form. So what this is actually going to be the level or the finished floor elevation. So by the time we're this high or this far down, this is actually going to be the height of the slab. And if you look at this corner over here, we're as much as 7 to 8 feet. So there's actually a nail about 7 to 8 feet in the air on this one over here.